Good evening, Mission Control. Well, tonight we're going to start working on a project that will hopefully get done tonight, but it is for two purposes. Actually three. It has three purposes. So this is cool. First, heating. Same project, so I'm going to say the same thing, same project a few different times here. But see this big flap right here, this storm flap. And then got our rail here for the door. And we got a big hole right here where, ooh, there's nice warm heated air in there, and it's all just coming out right here. So what we need to do is we need to get this flap to be secure over over the door here so that we can keep that heat in. That's one reason. Another reason we need to keep the door secure is that down here that flap is loose and little critters can come right in there. That's the second reason we need to do it. The third reason we need to do it is because of the primus. We have to have this door be secured. Can't have anything be able to come in and out of it for pets or dogs or little mices or all those types of things. So we need to secure this door up. So my plan tonight is, I've got some Velcro. I've thought about this the best I can do with what I got. You could sew this shut, you could glue it shut, but then the door is unusable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Velcro it shut. I got some isopropyl alcohol. We're going to wipe this down on both sides, and then we're going to put a strip of Velcro right on the inside here, close this flap over it with the Velcro on the other side, and that should seal it all up. So let's go ahead and get started. This little section down here is a little tight, so I think I'm going to start up a little ways here, since I've never really done this before. Take that off. I'm supposed to take a little bit of alcohol on it. Rub that down. Get it clean. Cleaner, I should say, probably. It's never really going to be clean again. There we go. Okay, get back on that. Velcro. Oh, it comes with a cute little pair of scissors. How nice. Okay. A little extra roll down there. I think there's a little seam right here. You're going to want to just follow that all the way up. Give me a nice straight line that way. Scissors suck. They're free. Once again proving you get what you pay for. I need a taller ladder. Alright, I'm about, what was that, like 7/8? 7/8 all the way to the top there, almost complete. And the bottom's sealing up really nice. It's actually sticking together really well. So that alcohol subscriber recommendation, thank you so much. To clean the vinyl first and then put on the sticky really helped. The two pieces are sticking together real nice. And regardless of what happens at this point, it's a significantly better seal than nothing. Right? Anything is better than zero, and that's what we're getting here. So I need to go get the bigger two-fly ladder so I can get to the very top, but it's looking like it's working so far. Let me show you Here, I'm underneath the door. I want to show you how big this gap is. Let's see if I can get a zoom for you. There we go. That's how big that gap is, and it's been out here all this time. Now last year, kind of as a reference of where we're at, we had snow blowing through this flap, coming through to the inside, and this year this thing is going to be sealed up. So we're so far ahead of where we were at last year. And once we put the insulation on the inside, this will be like triple sealed, because there'll actually be a layer of plastic on the inside. Just on the ends I'm doing a layer of plastic because it's so not sealed, and then the insulation goes over it. So these ends are going to be sealed up nice. I'm really happy with how this is coming together. It's amazing how fast it gets dark out now. If you can see way off there. That's just pretty. It's really dark though already here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's sealing up pretty darn nice. Remember that big old 2-inch gap that's there? That's gone now. And that's all sealed up. So I'm gonna keep working here, but it's getting pretty dark, so next time you see me it might be nighttime. I just got done with the east side door, and it's sealed up real nice. There's some sections where you can tell the building is pretty forgiving as far as when you install it. Things don't have to be perfect. You can see where some of the stuff shifted and wasn't perfectly straight, which it doesn't have to be. That's one of the benefits of this building, is it doesn't have to be perfect. But you can see how that kind of shifted the fabric a little bit, so you get some waves in it. But really, that doesn't matter. What matters is that there's a seal. On the inside, I put my hand up next to it, and man, you can't feel any cold air coming through there anymore. So this is really good. I got to head over to the west side now and get it done. And I tell you, man, wow, it got dark so fast. I'm not used to it, you know, already. My body's kind of out of whack right now because I think it's like 7 o'clock at night. It's not that late. You know, I was working out here till like 10 o'clock at night during the summer because the sun was up, and your body's like, hey, I get this, no problem. But now that the sun's down, I feel like it's 9, 10 o'clock at night already. I'm ready to go to bed, but I still got a whole bunch more work to do. So enough talking, let's get to walking. All right, well, it is super dark out, and I just got done with both doors. First door there, hey, we're already keeping the bugs out. There's a moth hanging out right up there. Uh-oh, that popped loose. Come back and fix that. That side's good. Walk to the other side real fast here. Kind of get an idea how dark it is out. Whew. Action camera! Okay, and around the back. There we are. It's sealed up nice. I think this side actually turned out better than the other. Okay, so there you go. Our first real nighttime project here in the winter. A little past 8 o'clock. And I'm gonna go up and fix that one section that popped loose there. And we'll be done for the night. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. In the meantime, everyone, this is The Real Martian. Out.